add one more here in between, and you can give this one, say, a white background, darker 15%. All right, and you can increase the brightness to 15%, negative 15%. All right, so our pillars are ready now. I'm going to give one more a triangle here. Go to shapes and select the triangle and hold the shift key while dragging so that it will get the equal distance, and just put it here. All right, same thing, you just copy, or before that one, shape outline, no outline, and I'm going to give a black color, or somewhere suppose you want to give some different color, it's up to you. And press Ctrl D once again and bring it exactly here. All right, now it's time to create the suspension lines, which you can see here. To do that one, you have to have an equal distance here. For example, I'm just going to add a small circles here so that we know exactly where we need to place our suspension lines, or the wires, you can say. This is one, this is two, and the same thing I'm just going to copy here, sorry, and all right, so we have four. You can see it's how many are, one, two, three, and four. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to insert shapes, select line, and draw the line from here, you can see, till the first one, okay, which is here. And again, go to insert shapes, select the line again, and again from this point to this point. So you have to repeat from this point to this one here again. So we have done. So we have to do the similar thing from the right pillar. Again, insert shapes, select the line, and then this line you have to meet with this one. So it's done. So we have to do the wires this side as well. So if you can see, there's some it's not uniformity, so I can just move this one, and I want this to be somewhere here, and this one also somewhere here. All right, so I'm just going to do the other side. To do the other side, I'm going to just insert, or I can just select this one, 2, 3, and 4, right mouse click, group it, press Ctrl D, bring this here, and go to format, rotate, say flip horizontal, and exactly align it from here. All right, again I'm going to press Ctrl D, bring this here. Yeah, all right, so design of the bridge is almost ready. Now I'm just going to delete this one, we don't need. All right, and this one, all these lines we have to send it back. So this one and this one, I'm selecting bring to front, and select these lines, these lines as well, and send to back. All right, I'm going to change the line colors, select all the lines. This is also, I'll just group it. So this, and this. Format, shape outline, give some lighter colors. Okay, and this one also I need to send it to back. All right, so the color of the wires or the suspension cables, you can say it. So it's we made it light color. Okay, the next one I'm just going to insert and one more rectangle, and I'm making it no outline, and I'm giving somewhat say a darker color here, whichever color you feel is okay. And then I'll just right mouse click, edit points. At the very center of the rectangle, I'm just going to right mouse click and I'll say add point and just drag this one. Maybe it's okay. So this particular shape is ready now. Now I want to fill water here. Okay, I want to create the water here. If you can see here the waves, you can see the waves which is moving, it's floating. You can see this one. All right, so you can see this one is cutting here, so I can just increase the size of the wave. All right, now let's play again. Because I have drawn a very big waves, actually you can make it somewhat small actually, so it gives more beautiful effect there. All right, so this is our the wave it's created. Now what I have to do now, I'm going to just create one more wave, okay, by pressing Ctrl D. All right, and I'm going to change the color of, say, go to format and give some light colors here. Okay, maybe this one. And this animation, I'm going to delete the animation, or what you can do, okay, let me just delete the animation, select the object again, animations, add animations, more motion paths, and you have to say, so first one we have said right, now this is left side. So if we need to do uh, in two directions. All right, and again this also with previous, and again I'm just going to make this one as well as very slow, which is 15 seconds, and repeat until next click, or sorry, until end of slide. Click OK. And this one, first of all, the first wave I want to bring it to front, bring to front, and this one I want send to back. So this is back, it's already there. And this one I will say, don't say send to back, because again it will go back here, just say send backwards. So right, you can see this is uh, before the pillars here, and just make it somewhat up, and maybe position like this, so that the two, otherwise two waves will look the same then. So now let's play now. You can see it's all right. So it is actually it's very slow. What I have to do is I just make it maybe instead of 15 seconds, let me just make it say 10 seconds, and let's play it. Yeah, though this is somewhat okay now. All right. You can see this one effect, water effect is clearly showing now. So this is actually, here I have drawn very small waves, and here I have drawn a big waves. It's your choice how you want your waves to be, either a big or small, which is, you can decide that one. Now it's a matter of adding some text, and if you see here I have used some text here, and I have used a car here, can you see, which is again jumping, and a bird is flying and it's coming down to the waters again and going back. So these are nothing but zip files which I have downloaded from the internet, and I will be giving the link in my description, so that you can download these files and you can use it in your presentation. Okay, so what here, if you can see here, let me just zoom it, and you can see this car here. Right, I'm just going to select copy, control C, and I'm just going to bring it here, control V, and let it be here. Okay, and again let's play it here. All right, so but it's, the car is, it's going from the pillars. Actually the pillars should be, the car should be back and the pillar should be front. So I just select this car and format, say send to back. Now if you play it again, yes, this is perfectly all right now, I believe. All right, so similarly again I have copied the bird here. Again I'm just going to copy the bird here, and I'm going to delete the animation of this bird, and you can have your own animation. You can just go to say animation, select the object, add animation, go to more motion paths. Okay, or you can just say I want this arc up. Right, I will just increase this one here, and right mouse click, you can just edit the points here. So I want the bird at this stage to come down. Okay, here also I'll just make it somewhat less, and I'm going to right mouse click here, and I'll just say add points. Okay, and this one I'll make like this. So the bird, this is just a pattern where I want the bird to fly. Okay, again I want the bird to fly very slow. Again go to timings, make it 15 seconds. Okay, and let's see how it works. And this one should be with previous, but there should be a delay from the car and this one, so the delay should be, say, I'm just going to say maybe 1 second. So the first the car will come, after a second then the bird will fly. Let's see now. Okay, so the bird, you can see it's coming here and then it's flying high again. Okay, so I can just give instead of just 1 second delay, I can just say 3 seconds delay. See, the car is coming and then the bird is following them. All right, now it's time to add some text here, which is I have given like challenges and this is like a solutions. Right, again I'm going to insert text box. I'll just say challenges. All right, I'm going to use a font, say Oswald. Let's increase the size, maybe this is enough, 20, and make it bold. And text direction, I'll just say rotate to 270 degrees and bring it here. Okay, so this is our challenges. If you want to change the color to some different color, it's up to you. Press Ctrl D and again bring it here, and this one make as solutions. All right, now if you want, you can just do the animation, which is, again I'm just saying that say I'll use the animation fly in here. Just click the fly in. All right, and then this should happen again. Say this should happen at first. Okay, just drag and drop this one here, on click, and just see how it looks. But see, it's coming, from the top of water and from top of this design. So what I'm going to do now, I'll just bring this down, select the object. All right, so I'm just going to say format, send to back. Okay, so it's now, we'll see here, I'll just make it up now, and let's see. Yes, it is coming from inside now. Same thing we have to do for the solutions as well. Okay, so just you can add the, again, animations, fly in, slide here. So I'm just going, we can add just your points in challenges here this side, and points of solution this side, which you can see it, this one, challenges, solutions, the points here. So that's it from me, friends. Hope you enjoyed this very unique and very creative slide. And if you do like this slide, please don't forget to subscribe my channel OS VFX. See you soon with more interesting stuff. Till then, goodbye.